Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen. Today's topic is control statements: break, continue, return, go to, and throw. Let's see one by one. So these are called jump or branching statements. So these statements are used to move control to a different part of the code. So first one is the break, and this statement is used in loop or in switch case. This continue is used in skipping to the next loop iteration, and this return is used from to exit from the method, and go to statements are used to jump from one place to another in a labeled statement basically, and it is rarely recommended to use. And throw is used in the exceptions. So when there is exceptions, then throw keyword can be used there. Okay, so let's see all these things in the action. So to save a little time, I have just prepared one program here, and inside this I have tried including all these statements. So let's see first, that is the break statement, and as we know, like, it is used in switch or loop statements. So let's see in the loop first. So here one loop is there, that is for loop, and conditionally I am checking it here, like if I is equal to 5, then you just break it. So that is the meaning, like when the value of I will be 5, then it will break and exit the loop when I equal to 5, right? So and then it will not run or it will not execute the next one. So that's what the meaning of break, and here loop will be ended. And also this break statement is used in switch case also. So as we have already seen, like in each and every cases we have the break statement, right? So when the switch case basically it finds the value, like number is 2, then it will print 2 and then it will break. So only one statement will be executed in switch case, right? So that is the use of break statement. Let's see the other one, continue statement. Now it skips the current iteration of a loop. So conditionally, when it finds some value conditionally, then it basically continue, means it skips the other thing. For example, here you can see in the loop, like uh, it iterates from 0 to 9, and it basically skips the even number, right? So here you can see j percentile 2 is equal to 0. It means it will when this condition is satisfied, then it will continue, meaning let's say when it will be continue, it will continue in when the j is 2, 4, 6, right? So basically it skips the even number and then it will print all the odd numbers. And in the same way we have here you can see like loop with continue ended, and here I have commented it out. Let me uncomment it. So here this is the return statements. So return statements or return statement is used in the function to return something from the function or exit from or you can say, yeah, return from the function. So here you can see if I write here return and semicolon, it means it will try to return from this main method. So this main is a method, right? So it is a function, that is the entry point of the application. So it will exit from here itself, and then the next line will not be printed. So you can see like these are all in different color, right? So here you can see the warnings, like represent the standard input output. No, this one, unreachable code detected. Unreachable means because there is a statement written here, so the statement after this will not be executed. So this is the meaning. So let me comment it out again. Okay, now let's move to the next statement, that is the go to statement, and it jumps to a labeled statement basically. So it jumps from one place to another. Now you can see here k is equal to 0, and I have written like a start colon, and then there is a condition here. If k is less than 5, then it will print and then it will increment the value and go to start. So it will go to start means it will jump from here to this label again, and then it will check like k is less than 5. So because the value of k was 6, yeah, means still 0 to 0 to 4 it will be printed, and then it will end, right? So it will go outside then that one. So this is the start, this is the goto statement. And next one is the throw. So throw statements are basically used in the exceptions. So when there is exception occurs, then you can throw it, or something happens, then you can throw it, like invalid operation exceptions, so something like that. So I will be discussing more on that side in our upcoming videos in exception handling. So yeah, so let's run this application and see it one by one. So I'm putting one breakpoint here maybe, and let's run it. Now you can see the value of I is now 0. So when it becomes 5, then let me put a breakpoint here also, and I'm just continuing this one. Maybe I need to remove this breakpoint. Yeah. Now you can see the value, when the value of I is 5, then it will break. Now you can see the it exited from the loop, right? So this is the meaning of break statement. And here also in switch case also, when it finds the value of num is 2, so here the case is 2, then it will print 2, and then it will break. So again it will out of the switch case. And in the same way we have the continuous statement here. So I am putting here one breakpoint, and if I continue it, then you can see when the value of j is 0, because 0 percentile 2 is equal to 0, so it will continue. So it will not print 0, and 3 it will print, and then 4 it will not print. So in this way it works, right? And 5 it will print, and 6 it will not print, right? Because in case of 6, 4, it will be it will continue the iteration. So this is the meaning of continuous statements. Okay, let's move to the next one here, and this is the loop with ended, with continue ended. Okay, now let's start with this start first, means this goto statement, and then we'll come to this return statement. Otherwise it will return from here, right? So yeah, let's move to this one. So here the value of k is less than 5, so it is true, and it will print, and then the value of k will increase. So now the value of k is 1, and we will discuss this different types of operator and operands in our upcoming videos. Yeah, so let's see, go to start, right? So see, it jumps from this place to this place now, and it got again. So whenever there is a value less than 5, it will print, it will increment the value of k, and then it will jump to that place. So it is just like jumping from one place to another, right? So this is the things. Now the next one is related to throw statement. So in throw statement, basically when you write this statement, throw keyword, then it will throw, and then someone will catch it, right? So this is the try catch statements, and I will be discussing this try catch more in detail in our upcoming videos in exception handling. So yes, let's see the output. Here you can see this is the output, right? So here it was like the 0 1 2 3 4. So when it was 5, then the loop ended, and it prints 2 here. So let's again verify it. Yeah, so when the value of I becomes 5, then it breaks, right? So break means it out of the loop. So it prints from 0 to 4, and then loop ended. And the next one, when the in switch case, when the value of number was 2, so it printed like 2, and then it got break here. So here 2, so switch ended, and so this statement got ended. And the next one is like the, as we discussed, like it will print the all the numbers, right? So here when it is yeah, this one, after this 1 3 5 7 9, so these are all odd numbers, because in case of even number it will continue, right? Means here it continued, and it basically skips the number. And next one was related to our this one, goto statements. So here you can see 0 1 2 3 4, so it printed, and then after that we have the throw statement, and it throws the exceptions. Here you can see you can read it out like invalid operation exception. This is a custom exception, right? So as I told, like I will be discussing over this in the upcoming video. Okay, so let's break it down and let's try to understand this return statement here. So what I'm doing is I'm just uncommenting it out, and below this statement, yeah, below this at least I'm just commenting it out again. Okay, and let's see how it works. So I'm removing all these breakpoints and I have put one breakpoint here itself. Let's run it and see the result. Okay, so now we are in this place, loop with continue ended, and if I go to if I press F10 or F11, then it goes one by one. That is the step over. And here now you can see this statement will not reach, right? So see, now it exited from this main method. So yeah, that's it for this video, and let's see in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a great day.